Вон еще один, ебать. Охуеть.
Just to summarize the most important developments of the last 48 hours. Russian lines at Bakhmut are crumbling, losing 2 jets and 3 choppers. Rear bases in Russian-occupied Luhansk getting eliminated. Russians deploying T-54-55. Panic and chaos among Russian pilots and troops. Prigozhin calling for rebellion. And the Ukrainian counteroffensive hasn't even started yet. According to Russian sources, today has been the worst day in decades for the Russian Air Force, with 3 Mi-8 transport helicopters, 1 Su-34 and 1 Su-35 fighter being shot down over the Bryansk region of western Russia by what is claimed to have been either air-to-air or surface-to-air missiles, which were launched from inside of Ukraine. All pilots and crews of the 5 aircraft were killed in the explosion or subsequent crash. So far, it is unclear what kind of missiles were used. Besides Ukrainian rockets and possible guerrilla teams inside Russia, one of the theories is a friendly fire incident. Shooting down your own Mi-8 around 50 kilometers from the Ukrainian border only because of the fear of Storm Shadow missiles and in an area where no hostile action is ongoing is, even for friendly fire accidents, remarkable. And next to it, crashes a Su-34 and Su-35? Are they serious? I call this panic combined with incompetence. If this is the case, then the event in Bryansk must have been the most freaking friendly fire incident in modern times. But we have to leave open room for Ukrainian fire also. In that case, it's a significant event for the Russian military. If Ukraine is able to do this, then Russian aircraft will need to fly far from the border.
Радары. Ну этот быстро летает. Слышь, а БК не уебет? А? Слышь, ну? Хуя, блядь. Сушка. Тут больше ничего не уебет. А то доснимаемся, нахуй.
And Mikhailo Podolak, advisor to the head of the office of President of Ukraine, Volodymyr Zelensky, tweeted, an air group of 2 Su fighter jets, 34 and 35, and 2 support helicopters flew over the Bryansk region to launch a missile bomb attack, officially, on the civilian population of Chernihiv region in Ukraine. The air group was destroyed by unidentified persons. Justice, as it is, and instant karma. Killers on wings were destroyed before the next crime would be committed. And remains of UK-supplied Storm Shadow air-launched cruise missiles were found at today's and yesterday's missile strike sites in the city of Luhansk. Confirming this new and very potent capability is already used by Ukrainian forces. Yesterday, the local counteroffensive on the flanks of the Bakhmut front stopped a little due to Russian counterattacks, but during the night it continued forward. Battles are ongoing and direct real-time reporting is not possible for obvious reasons. Pictures from the Ukrainian 3rd Brigade show how they drove away Russian T-72 tank earlier in.
Сюда его! Стой, стой, стой. Стой, дед. Сколько вас? Там на позиции сколько было? 28 человек?
Откуда ты?
Ульяновска.
Бригада какая?
72-я.
С кем вы тут стоите? С вагнерами? Одни? Где ваш командир?
В тылу.
Нахуя ты сюда пришел, вот и скажи?
У меня очень большой долг по алиментам.
Что?
Ну, по алиментам очень большой долг. Денег надо было заработать. Мне либо садиться в тюрьму, либо сюда.
И сколько вы зарабатываете?
150.
В месяц 150 тысяч?
У нас в Ульяновске зарплата 100 тысяч.
Пацаны, что там? Як работка? А? Ну, поки да. Я скажу, що клубника в Польщі – це хуйня.
Театр национальной оперы Украины!
Та все.
This Russian supply point located under a highway bridge in between Avdiivka and Donetsk City is burning. Video of the effective cooperation of the UAV and the mortar crew of the Belarusian Volat Battalion of the Kalinowski Regiment. They continue to stand on the defense of Bakhmut, a city that has been trying to occupy the Russian invaders for almost a year now.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.